Hey guys, what's up? It is Missy Atlanta, and today I am here to try out the McCormick skillet sauces that several of us were hauling and picking up. Mine I picked up from the 99-cent store. They also had some that were at the Dollar Tree. So the one that I'm trying out is Italian chicken with basil and garlic, and it says add chicken. This is a skillet sauce. It says no high fructose corn syrup, no MSG, no artificial flavors, and it is gluten-free with natural spices. You can do it in the slow cooker. It gives instructions on the back. I am not going to be using the actual slow cooker today. I'm going to be using this here skillet. So let me show you guys how I'm gonna do it. I'm going to be using some chicken, and this is 2 leftover chicken breasts that I had from yesterday's dinner, and I just cut them up into smaller pieces. I also have here some pre-cut and washed potatoes and just a few pieces of carrot because the mini really does not care for cooked carrots too much. And then I have some wedged onions and some green bell pepper strips. Okay, so let's get started. So first let's start by seasoning the chicken breast. So I'm going to put a little seasoning salt on here, very lightly, some garlic pepper, again very lightly, and then some black pepper. I'm gonna flip it over and repeat. Now that I have seasoned the chicken and everything else is already pre-prepared, I'm going to just spray the pan with some of this butter spray from Dollar Tree as well. The pan is non-stick, but yeah, still spray it. And then I'm going to just prepare everything into the pan. Now that I have my chicken breast, my potatoes, carrots, onions, peppers, and everything into the skillet, I am going to simply open and pour the Italian chicken with basil and garlic skillet sauce over the top of everything. So here is what it looks like with the sauce over the top of it, and I think I'm just gonna add a little more garlic pepper, just sprinkle it over the top, and a little more pepper. I like a lot of pepper. So I am going to turn on the skillet. Let's see. Let's put the skillet on 370, and I'm probably going to leave it on. Hope you can't see me. So I'll probably leave it on for a couple hours or so. I'm just gonna watch it. I'm not exactly sure, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it turned out, and we'll taste it and see how it is. So see you in a second. Let's check and see how we are doing. Looks good and smells even better. it looks so delicious. And I did have to add water going throughout it. I did put a little bit of vinegar and water in there, just so vinegar seems to hold flavor in food. So yeah, so now I'm gonna plate this and we can taste it, try it, and see how it turns out. So we love rice, so I actually decided to pair the chicken with the potatoes, carrots, the onions, and the bell peppers with the rice and in Hawaiian roll. So let's see how this turned out. A piece of chicken. Chicken. Pretty good. I wish I had to use 2 packs of the flavoring because it's very light. Now let's try the carrot and potato. Pretty good as well. And of course my rice. We know what that tastes like. And my roll. Oh yeah, you guys. This is what we're having for dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you try out some of the McCormick skillet sauces. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.